Have you ever put on an outfit and it instantly felt like it was boring? Or is your wardrobe full of only basics and you have nothing else to wear? No thanks. All you need to fix that is a few accessories. So, for this outfit, I took it from boring to fabulous by putting on a scarf, and I added a little brown belt and also my little mini Kate Spade purse. And I also just switched from my Converse to these heels, and I put on some hoops and a necklace, and it instantly took my outfit from boring to fabulous, as you can see from the before and after. Oh my god, another boring outfit? We can't do this. We need to fix this right now. As you can see, once I put on a little bit of accessories, it looks much, much better. So, the first thing I did was put some sunglasses on my head. I know that these are for the sun, but they also make a cute accessory if you put them on your head. And again, I just added some earrings and a necklace. And I also put on a belt and just tucked the sweater into the front of it so you can see it, and just adds a little bit of shape to my outfit. And then I also added this little mini Burberry purse. I just love mini bags. And then I also switched from my sneakers to these little red booties, and it just adds a pop of color, and it's just way better. A third boring outfit? I don't think so. You can see my bra, and these shoes are just not it. Let's fix this. That was graceful. But anyways, so for this outfit, again, I just switched from my sneakers to booties. I added some earrings, a necklace. You can add way more jewelry than this, and it would make it way cuter, but I just wanted to add a little bit. Instead of my bra, I put on a bralette so that you can't see my bra anymore. Again, I added the Gucci belt. It's fake, but whatever. And also my Michael Kors purse, again, with a little mini purse, a crossbody. It just makes it very cute and elegant. That was it for this video. I really hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, please be sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and also comment down below. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!